Hi, it's Sylvia and Workalo. Today I want us to discuss about mindful eating. You see, when it comes to dieting, I have been there. I have felt that guilt of, you know, reining my diet and the joy of sticking to a diet. I have gone through, binge cycles and roller coaster of emotional eating. But I had to ask myself, is this what is really required to live a healthy lifestyle? Do I even have a voice and a choice of what I should eat? Must I be on a diet to live and feel healthy? Must I follow other people's rules and regulations before I can feel healthy? I just thought there must be a way, and I found it: mindful eating. You see, mindful eating is not about counting calories, it's not about measuring food or weighing your food or feeling restricted or worrying about your body size or the number on a scale. Mindful eating is about discovering the how, the why, and how much you eat in a non judgmental way. You see, with mindful eating, you pay attention to how your body feels. You pay attention to your body signals when you eat to be sure that, you know, you are in tune with how you feel before, during, and after every meal. And it leads you to that guilt free eating. It's the right eating for your whole family. You wouldn't find yourself eating something different from the rest of your family if you bring your kids up to eat mindfully. Gone is that mentality of you must finish your meal, finish everything on your plate so that it doesn't waste. It's going to be a waste once you're full. Once you start noticing the signal and you know that you're full, when you're really full, the rest becomes a waste, either in your body if you're forced to finish the food or in the bin. Now you have a choice where the waste should be. Because if the waste is in your body, it brings about excess weight and it affects the quality of your life. And I teach about portion control and how to deal with waste in my video on portion control. I will put the link in the description for you to watch as well. But with mindful eating, you approach eating with curiosity, and then you start to notice how certain food makes you feel. Every day now becomes a learning process for you, not a guilt trip. You see, I used to love coffee, as in anybody that knows me well knows that I love coffee, and I could take it morning, afternoon, evening. I could take it before I go to bed, and it doesn't affect my sleep. But a couple of months ago, I found out that for some reason I stopped, and I realized the difference it made in me. Being that in the afternoons I used to have this deep in my, like, once it's getting to late afternoons, I feel like taking a nap. I feel very tired. And I noticed that after I stopped taking the coffee, I didn't used to have these feelings again. I was more productive and still kept up my energy level. And this was enough sign to tell me to stop taking the coffee. Now, if somebody had told me stop taking coffee, like my husband used to tease me, you take a lot of coffee and you like coffee a lot. If he had told me, or a diet had told me stop taking coffee, I would have felt restricted. I would have, if I take once I, happen to take coffee, I would have wanted, I'll feel like binging on it because I would feel deprived and restricted. But because I saw the difference with taking coffee and not taking coffee, nobody could convince me any better. And now I'm better off for it, not, taking it, and I can introduce it later on with curiosity and notice what it does to me. And that is mindful eating in action. You see, when you're eating mindfully, You wouldn't be dodging the weekends or letting loose from your diet at the weekends. You would stay true to yourself and enjoy much more than eating. You would enjoy the environment you eat in and the company that you keep. Even if you're keeping that company with yourself, you wouldn't see it as an opportunity to let loose with food. You would separate your food from your mood and not get into that emotional roller coaster because you would always be in tune with your body signals. Now, the diet mentality takes up a lot of headspace, which you could have channeled to, other projects that would be more productive for you. If your current weight is affecting your quality of life, you can lose weight without the diet mentality. Mindful eating is so liberating, and I can show you how so that you can achieve your health goals, make your own food choices, and live your life with no regrets. I hope you found this useful, and I will speak to you later.